Unit 10 is on delegation, and Project 10 is a delegation exercise. Delegation is a skill that doesn't come naturally to everyone. Many executives, managers, and supervisors avoid delegation because of various practical and emotional barriers. For example, they may be afraid to relinquish control of some tasks, or they may worry that employees will resist or resent this delegation. Delegation skills are important to supervisors as a means of managing stress. To prepare for Project 10, you'll learn tips for effective delegation. You will learn the important differences between delegation and allocation. And you will learn about 7 delegation levels to help you hone your delegation skills. It's time to move on to discussion 10.